My name is Gulabsha, and today I will be speaking in the favor of internet.
And my name is Shivani, and today I'm going to speak against the internet.
Okay, so in this nowadays, I believe that internet is very important for us, and we are incomplete as I've already said that we are incomplete without internet because it has become a very crucial resource for us.
Okay, so I respect your opinion, but I think internet is okay. It is crucial, but before it was not available. Life was way more easy, I guess. People actually not uh, as smart as they are today because they are like very innocent. But today in the internet era, we can see mobile even in children's hand. They are destroying or spoiling themselves. Parents are giving their phones to their children and they are getting spoiled. I have seen that they watch phones and reels and shorts. So they are watching reels like BF and GFs. So they talk like that also in schools and at home as well.
All right, I completely understand what you are trying to say, but I think that everything has pros and cons. So internet has is its own pros and cons. So if we see that children are using more mobile and they are not just studying, so it depends on parents that they're providing them phones, and it depends on parents completely. Like if their children are using more than using phone and they're not studying, rather than study they are using more phone, so they can restrict them, and they can obviously snatch that they should have that limits and or a schedule of using mobiles. Apart from that, we are in this generation, we like competition is on spike. Everybody, we are in this generation, like if I talk about uh, before this time, earlier there was no competition and everybody was used to play in the streets, and there was no high schools that much. And nowadays every child is studying in high school and convent school, so competition is very high in this time. So I think internet is very useful for all those children, and for us also. For adult, we can use AI, and we all know the advantages and uses of AI. It is very important for us, and it helps us in each and every term.
Okay, spoken about the AI. So I think artificial intelligence, if we depend on it, will totally lose our mind. We have to use our mind. We have to be creative in our own mind first. Then if people are earlier as well have become scientists and doctors and many other fields, they have uh, graduated and excelled without internet as well. So I don't think artificial intelligence is actually helping us. It is actually making us depending on it.
I'm not saying that earlier it was
And you have
like
also said one thing that school about convent school and that I think it is not true. Earlier was also there was school and Delhi University was established in I think 90s only. So people from foreign are coming here to study in it. So competition are always there. It is not like yes it has increased, but mobile also internet is something which is falling young generation towards wrong things more, I guess.
okay, because we attract towards bad things easily, but it has a lot of like if you want to cook something, you can watch video online, and without internet, how would you see, how would you watch those videos? Everybody, like majority of the people are making content which is related to education and cooking. And apart from that, there are a lot of skills in the market that are available. You can watch all those videos. Sometimes it's for free and sometimes you have to pay for something. So without internet, I think it's nothing.
Okay, so my mom is a very good cook, and she has never seen any kind of video on the internet. How should I make it? How should I not make it? So she is not dependent on any kind of video on internet.
I'm talking about something else. Like if I am craving for something else and I don't know, I have to order something because it's not healthy for me. So I'm talking about these sort of things. We can watch every sort of video. Everything is available online. And apart from cooking, we may read online books. For an example, I don't have money to buy each and every book. So I will read by online, and we can recite religious books as well online. So that's all about it.
I think reading books online will affect our eyes. It is suggested that you should not use your phone in the night because it will affect your eyes or your eyesight. So I think reading from a book will help you to have a sound sleep as well. And if you're reading from a book, it will be in your mind for a longer period of time than to read it in a mobile phone.
If we have to enhance our communication skills, so we can listen podcasts. There are multiple podcasts available. So without internet, I think nothing is possible.
Nothing is possible.
I am talking about in these things, like we cannot listen any podcast, we cannot watch anything online, we cannot ask Google for any of the help. Like these things are not possible without internet, I think. And our mobile is also useless without internet. We can just have a conversation on call, but apart from that, you can't do something. You can't upload any video, you can't share your videos with your friends or anything. So I think it's very important.
I think this is the right point. Even I'm in a favor.
You agree with that?
Yes.
She has won the match. Thank you so much. Anyway, that face it.